Hello, I am introducing you today the chapter of soil. What are there in soil? Why we are going to study about soil? What are the factors forming soil? In India, there are various kinds of soil we found. All these things we are going to study today. Now, let me first tell you what is soil. Soil is the uppermost layer of the earth's surface, which is actually supporting the plant's growth. And all the living organisms are here. They are basically leaves on the soil. We, the human beings also, we need soil. So what are the factors here? Let me tell you. There are 5 main factors forming soil. What are these? First, climate. Second, parent rock. Third is organism, the living organism of the earth. Fourth, the relief features, or we can say topography. And 5, the most important thing, that is time. These 5 factors are forming soil in everywhere, in every sphere of the earth. There are difference of climate, there are difference of parent material, difference of this topography. So all these things, different time, are making different type of soil. Now let me tell you what are the characteristics of soil. First, it is supporting the natural growth of plants, living organisms on the earth. So basically there are so many nutrients which is in this soil sphere are giving them support. Second, soils are having humus in it. What is humus? The top layer of the soil having much more nutrient, which is developing and supporting the life of plants. More the humus, more nutrients, plants can grow more. Next, the soil are having different type of pH value. So, if the pH value are less than 7, these soils are known as acidic soil, presence of acids, acidic elements. If the soils are having more pH value, more than 7, they are having alkali content, alkali element in them. Those soils are known as alkali soils. Now, different type of soils we found in India. Basically, we will read about 4 main type of soil, namely alluvial soil, black soil, red soil and laterite soil. So, let me tell you where these are found, what are their characteristics. Alluvial soil. From the name alluvial, we got to know that these soils are formed by alluvium, which are carried by rivers, the winds. These alluvium are deposited on the earth's surface. They are transported from the mountains, hills and coming towards the plain area. When they are deposited year after, so these soils are made up of into alluvial soil. That's why they are also known as transported soil, because these winds, these rivers are carrying them and depositing them in another place. That is why they are known as transported soil. Now, let me come to the next type of soil, black soil. What is this black soil about? Why they are named as black? First of all, the parent material here, the volcanic igneous rock. When these rocks are metamorphosed, these rocks are changed their colors, and in time, going on time, they are changing into black soil. So when these igneous rocks are changing to black soil. Igneous rock, first of all, they are coming up from the volcano. So, the igneous rocks are having much more minerals. That is why black soil is having so much of minerals and suitable for various kinds of crops to grow there. That is why the black soil is also favorable and very much friendly for the farmers. They are growing their cotton, there are sugars, all the kind of crops are there growing there. Now, let me come to the third type of soil, which we found in this India. Red soil. Again, from the name red, we got to know the type of the soil is red in color. Why? The presence of iron oxide. Iron oxides are giving this soil as red in color. That is why they are known as red soil. Next, the fourth type, that is laterite soil. Laterite soils are, these are prolonged time. They have taken such a long period of time to form. Where weatherings are done, many type of natural elements like rivers, wind, temperature, rainfall, they are working on this soil and they are forming this soil type of laterite. Prolonged weathering and one of the main process that is known as leaching process. More rainfall, more amount of temperature, this is converting this soil or the parent rock in some of the hilly regions like in our South India, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala. They are having laterite soil. The rocky hilly regions, they are forming the laterite soil. So these are the four major type of soils.